In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group records in Airtable list view. Whether you're organizing a project, managing your tasks, or simply want a clearer view of your data, learning how to group records effectively can make a world of difference. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Airtable website. You can easily do this by opening your web browser and typing in airtable.com. Once you're there, look for the sign in button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. You'll then be prompted to enter your credentials. Fill in your email address and password to sign into your Airtable account. If you don't already have an account, signing up is a breeze, but for today's tutorial, we'll assume you already have one ready. After entering your account information, it's important to click on the Continue button to gain access to your workspace. This is where the magic happens. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Airtable homepage. From here, navigate to the Airtable dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you aren't already comfortable. The next step is to select your preferred base table. This will be the dataset you want to organize or analyze further, so choose the one that suits your current project. Bases in Airtable function like tabs in a spreadsheet program, containing the specific data you'll be working with. Once you've selected the appropriate base, you'll notice different view options. Locate the list view option, which can be found at the middle bottom left side of the screen. It's one of the many ways to view your data, and for grouping purposes, it's especially useful. Now let's create a new view specifically for grouping records. Click on the Create New View button. This will allow you to tailor how your data is presented and sorted, giving you a fresh canvas to work on without altering your original setup. With the new view created, go ahead and click on the Group option. This feature is designed to let you segment your data into meaningful categories based on one or more fields. After clicking Group, you'll be presented with various options to group your records. Look through the available fields and choose the ones that make the most sense for your purpose. Perhaps you're looking to group records by status, category, or date. Whatever your needs, Airtable offers flexibility in how data is organized. Once you've selected the desired grouping options, Airtable will automatically organize your records based on your criteria. Feel free to make adjustments and experiment with different fields until the view suits your requirements perfectly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently group records in Airtable's list view, making data management more intuitive and insightful. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing.